In this episode, we'll create a new element and add them to the page. For example, in our to-do list application, when we add text in the input box and click this button, the text should get added in the list item below. To do that, we need to create a new element using document.createElement and then append or prepend them to the list item to display them. In the index.html, let's start by changing the text of the button from update to add, because we will be adding the list item below. Also change its ID to add btn. Then in script.js, let me update the variable and ID name to add btn. Then let's remove these 3 lines of code because we are no longer making any changes to the title. Instead, we will create a new list item. So create a variable item and use document.createElement. Since we need a new li tag, add li as a string value. Now let's check in the console what this code does. So copy the code and paste them in the console. If I type item, you can see it creates an empty li tag for us. We can add text inside it using the text content property. The text inside this li tag should be the text added in the input box. So inside the function, let's add item.textContent equals input.value. And let's log them in the console. So add console.log item. Check the preview. And now if you type any text in the input box, and when you click the button, you can see a li tag with the text added in the input box. Now, since we have a li tag with text inside it, we need to add them either at the beginning or end of the OL tag. To do that, first we need to select the OL tag, and then we need to use the append method. To select the OL tag, I will create a variable list and use document.querySelector. Select the OL tag. To append them in the list, use list.append item. Take the preview, add the text, and now if you click a button, a new list item is added at the bottom. If you want to add them at the beginning, use prepend instead of append. Take them again, and this time it is added at the beginning. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will remove nodes. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.